1. Check the Windows Update version. Step 1. Left-click Start button. Left-click Settings. Left-click Update and Security. Left-click OS Build Info. To confirm in Windows specifications, version is 1809. Two. Install Language Pack and Handwriting. Step 2. Left-click left arrow on top left. Step 3. Left-click Time and Language. Left-click Language. Left-click Add a Language. Scroll down and select Chinese, Traditional, Hong Kong SAR. Left-click Next. Step 4. Check Speech. Check Handwriting. Uncheck Install Language Pack and set as My Windows Display Language. Step 5. Left-click Install. Step 6. Left-click the language pack as in this video. Left-click Options. Left-click Download to download language pack. Fast-forward video. Three. Add Chinese Traditional DaYi v6.0 input. Step 7. Left-click Add a keyboard as in this video. Left-click Microsoft Chinese Traditional DaYi, version 6.0. Step 8. Left-clicking at right bottom of Windows. Left-click Chinese, Traditional, Hong Kong, Chinese Traditional DaYi, there. Left-click the Windows search box, test Traditional DaYi v6.0 input method. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.